To set up MetaTrader 5 on Android. First, you need to download and install the application from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store, search for MetaTrader 5, and click the Install button to begin the download process. Once the installation is complete, open the application. You will be presented with a login screen, where you can either log in to an existing account or open a new demo account. If you are new to MetaTrader 5, it is recommended to open a demo account to practice trading with virtual money. To open a demo account, click the New Demo Account button and fill in the required information, such as your name, email, and phone number. After creating your demo account, you will be logged into the MetaTrader 5 platform. The platform is divided into several sections, including the Market Watch window, the Navigator window, and the Chart window. The Market Watch window displays a list of available financial instruments, such as currency pairs, stocks, and commodities. The Navigator window allows you to manage your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. The Chart window displays a graphical representation of the selected financial instrument. To start trading, you need to select a financial instrument from the Market Watch window and open a new chart. You can do this by clicking the New Chart button or by dragging and dropping the instrument from the Market Watch window to the Chart window. Once you have opened a chart, you can apply various technical indicators and expert advisors to analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. To place a trade, click the New Order button and select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a pending order. Enter the required information, such as the volume and stop loss, and click the Place button to execute the trade. You can monitor your open trades and account balance in the Trade and Account windows. It is essential to configure the platform settings to suit your trading needs. You can do this by clicking the Settings button and selecting the desired options, such as the language, time zone, and data feed. You can also customize the appearance of the platform by selecting different themes and colors. In conclusion, setting up MetaTrader 5 on Android is a straightforward process that requires downloading and installing the application, creating a demo account, and configuring the platform settings. By following these steps and practicing with a demo account, you can become familiar with the platform and start trading with confidence.